Okay, today we are looking at how do we record an overpayment in Xero. So an overpayment is when someone has given you more money than you were expecting. So they've paid more than you required for your invoices. So firstly, what we're going to do is go into Reconcile Payments. I'm just using the demo company here as an example. And we'll take a look at the first transaction here, which as you can see is Ridgeway University, and there's an invoice number and there's a payment amount. So let's go and see if we can find that. If we go into Match and search for Ridgeway, our invoice there is going to pop up. And what we can see is that the invoice is actually for $6,178.50. And we've received $6,187.50. So they've overpaid that account. If we tick that invoice for payment and scroll down, it's going to tell us that the overpayment is for $9. So what we want to do is put that against the account so the account goes into credit and the university can use that at a future invoice, or it can be refunded to the university. To do that, we go to New Transaction and Receive Money. In here, we want to make sure we put the actual contact card of ours, so Ridgeway University, so that it goes against that debtor account. And we're going to change direct payment here to overpayment. Now that changes the colour of that screen to yellow, and it automatically codes that back to accounts receivable, and it codes the $9 that was overpaid. So once we've done that, you can put a reference in here or in the description for your records and hit save. So what we'll see now is the original invoice that was paid plus the overpayment of the $9 on that account to now match what was actually received in the bank. At that stage, we hit OK. So that transaction's now been dealt with. And if we go and have a look in our debtors account, and if we do a search for Ridgeway, we will see that that credit is sitting against the account there for future use for the university. Hope that helps you with your future overpayments. Cheers.